Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do one more challenge, and it is the Marauder loot only. So we're gonna be only able to use Marauder loot. So I mean this is gonna be interesting. At first, if we find Marauders, we are allowed to kill them with any guns, and then we only have to take their weapons. So now I'm just gonna wait till the Balbus takes off. So so we're in a game. We're just gonna be searching for marauders. Where's the marauders at, boys? Do you see any landing? Where are the marauders? Where are the marauders? No, yaar. They come pretty early. They don't take a lot of time. When the Balbus disappears, they'll come. Don't worry. I seriously still see the Balbus. Okay, Balbus is gone. They'll be here probably. Yeah, I know how it works, Pratul. Where's the rift? Rifty boy, where the hell are you? Oh. Marauders are there, right? Huh, where are the marauders? Huh? What? What? The... Bro, seriously, you see them? Are they near you? Because I'm away from you now, so probably it's not loaded in. Yeah, I see it. It's like और एक रहेगा यार और एक आ सकता है. There might be one more. Those are too far. Yeah. I mean, we'll just have to kill them. We'll loot a bit of Misty. Oh my god, Misty is like so out of zone. I'll take it. I'll take it. Don't worry. I'll take it and then I'll come. Yeah, Manuja, as if. Not even good at that game. Not even good at the. Guys, go find them. You got to. You never search a llama, you bot. You always just break it. Oh. Yeah, we'll come. We'll loot on our way and we'll come. We finally found some marauders. Let's go, guys. We found the marauders. Guys, drop all your loot in such a place that you don't mix it up. Okay, guys? Ooh. Wait, I'm chucking out my loot in a corner. Even I have a hunting rifle. Hey, we're getting shot at. Everybody carries snipers. I don't care. Who's shooting at us? Workbench. Let's pick that up. Medkit. Let's pick that up. SMG. Let's pick that. Yeah, wait. We'll come near you. You just We'll do everything together. I don't need decoy grenades. Decoy grenades are shit. You headshot snipe somebody? You're joking, right, PK? Bro, I'm getting shot. Bro, this FAMAS is not the Marauder. Bro, what the heck? There's no good loot. There's only pistols. What the heck, Marauders, you piece of crap? What's wrong with you? Huh? I'm getting shots from... Guys. Bro, I'm getting shot at. Like... I can't pick up this loot. I can't pick it up. Ah, shit. I'm so doomed. Yeah, PK is a robber. You know that, right? Ah. Hey guys, you can't upgrade your weapons, okay? You can't upgrade your weapons. So I had an upgrade bench, then I just chucked it. Bro. Guys, where are they? Just mark, will you? Bots. Okay, there you go. I see one. I tagged 196. And I missed my snipe. Guys, how are we all just sniping him? I got an assist. I have 0 LMs. You guys have 4. PK, you have 4 LMs? Hey, give me some loot. Oh, I hate this. Give me that loot. PK, you're just robbing everything. Bot. Oh shit, I'm lagging. Bro, we need to find some more marauders. All I have is an SMG and a sniper. Give me some hunting rifle ammo, will you? Please, guys. Nobody. What the heck? You have an AR at least. Yeah, Manuja, how did you get an AR, Manuja? Was it a blue one? Was it a blue or green FAMAS? Was it a blue or green FAMAS? Green FAMAS, I had dropped that, Manuja. Yeah, we did. Oh, shoot, I'm inside. Get out of my game. What are you doing? Oh, it's a chest up here. Ah! How does my building suck so much? I built. Bro, it's a chest. No, I don't. Oh my god, zone is close. Ah, who cares? I have 10 bandies and 3 medkits. Oh shoot, I'm lagging, guys. One sec. I hate this. We need to find more marauders, like, or we need to find a fishing rod. We need this fish. We need fish. We're just gonna try and fish. Oh, I hate this. Turns out there were only we didn't get any more marauders, but we just turns out there were only two people left, and I got an elim. And there were two people left somehow. And what? I got one elim, I think. How did you guys get six elims? How did I get only one elim? Okay. Thank you guys for watching this video. I mean, it was absolutely weird because the zone was like so big. That's why I like cut it out. But turns out that was the last guy. Thank you guys for watching this video and meet you in the next one.